So this is a 90/30 or a 9R double reduction final drive for a round axle. We can sell it for round or square, or flat, excuse me. Basically, we've disassembled the final drive, inspected the housing, inspected the inner planetary, outer planetary, the drive gears, sun gears, and it will come with one pinion shaft. So it's everything to put, for all the hard parts, to put the final drive together. When we've been selling these, typically the dealerships will put them together with new bearings and seals. We still guarantee all the hard parts. We also sell them complete, tested, and we also sell them rebuilt with new bearings and seals. If we can help you out, let us know.